In this video, I will show you how to react to the old antique coin with ujala. This is a pure ujala mixed with water. This is very old coin, very old antique coin. Couple of minutes after, you can see the result. The ujala water getting pure transparent. This is a very old coin, antique coin, and this is a very rare coin. This coin not coated with any chemical. I will show you. I rub with tissue paper. This is not any chemical coated or chemical treated material. This is a magnet, normal magnet available which are available from speakers. You can see this is normal magnet. Next, I show you a drinking glass water. This is made from glass. You can see clearly see. I placed this glass on the magnet, a round shaped magnet. Next, I will put a water. This is a normal pipe water. You can use pipe water, bottle water, or borewell water, any water. It's a pH 7. On coming videos, I will show you the pH level with a pH meter. This is a pure water only. You can see this is tissue. This is pure water only. We are not using any chemicals. You can see this is not a white petrol or something. This is our coin. Next, we will mix normal ujala with this water. This is the ujala. You can see this is the old ujala bottle. Next, we will mix ujala with this water. For that, I am using plastic piece. You can see the ujala totally blended with the water. This is ujala only. Look at the tissue paper color. Now also you can see this is not a chemical. Next, we will place this antique coin near to the ujala. For that, I will put the coin into the glass. Wait and see what will happen. We have to wait a couple of minutes, maybe. Depends upon the power of antique coin. Yes, it's happening suddenly. You can see the color disappearing slowly. Yes, the water getting normal as it is, as a transparent water. You can see. Yes, this is the final stage. Little more ujala color is there. I think that is not removable. Light color. Now also you can check. This is not a chemical. On coming videos, I will show you. I will bring this water and I will prove this is not a chemical. This is totally my experimental video. On this channel, I am showing all the videos are experimental video, or you can see and enjoy. You can watch and enjoy this solar magic, the power of magic. Please don't misunderstand and don't do any bad comment on this channel. Yeah, you can see this is a normal antique.